Hello guys, this is the short presentation about time management. Important to know how to manage our time wisely, so follow to-do lists. We may tend to forget what must be done after we finish one task, so having to-do lists helps us to get on to work and finish the agendas. Stop doing lists could be our biggest to-do list. Yes, if we must do something better, then we should stop doing what is not right. Time management is one of the skill sets that one should have to achieve the goals. So prioritize your plans. Prioritizing your plan makes one to be more effective and focuses on what must be done. So balancing a daily life would be easier. Estimate and know which task is important to complete and stay true to yourself to finish your work set for the day. Distractions are there every now and then, but saying no is all matters. Yes, say no to distractions. Keeping away yourself from the time wasters like social media, surfing TV and internet, unnecessary work, paying too much of attention to pretty small things. Remember, time wasters would kill productivity. We should know how much time we are spending and how it is benefiting in return. After all, the whole world has 24 hours a day and how to be organized matters. So have plans for tomorrow. It is always good to have plans for a better tomorrow. What good can be done today would improve for tomorrow. Planning helps to be on track and takes you to the progress. If plan A didn't work, there are 25 more alphabets. Update your weekly plans. When your agenda is successfully done throughout the week, it should be upgraded to achieve even more. So pin down for the best and stay calm. If this presentation has helped you, please like and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.